We're here in Alameda. Let's go check out our newest listing. Right now we're doing some electrical work. We're doing some tile work. We're still under the construction phase. We're trying to knock everything out this week and hopefully order professional photography and staging next week. So we're a little bit under the time crunch, but hoping this project turns out great. Let's go check it out. Like I said, this is our newest listing here in Alameda. Soon to go live on the market. Thinking a couple extra weeks. Give you a quick tour of the property. This is the garage. We have the all the materials staged here. We have towel racks, towel bars. I'm going to go ahead and do all the electrical outlets and fixtures. We have door stoppers. We have a whole bunch of material here, and we're still waiting on some more to come in tomorrow or sometime this week, hopefully, so we can meet the deadline. Check it out. This is the entrance. We got brand new flooring throughout. This is supposed to be a mid-century modern design. Check it out. All wood paneling. All this is stained, as far as I know. This is one of the bedrooms here. So I'm gonna go ahead and change out all these switches to these new white Decora style switches. All these old school brown outlets, those are all going to be swapped out to new white ones as well. Here's one of the bathrooms. Gonna go ahead and swap these out here too. Already have them staged right there. We ran into a little issue here with the plumbing. As you guys can see, it's not centered. So we have to figure out how to center the plumbing in order to correctly install this bathroom vanity. Check out all the wood. Pretty cool. Let's continue the tour. Like I said, all these, I'm gonna be swapping all of these switches, slash dimmers, outlets, all these three-way switching. Here in the kitchen, I am going to be removing this light fixture, this middle one, and this one here. The plan is to only install one light fixture here in the middle. So hopefully that gives us enough light to light up the kitchen. Sorry about the mess. This is my little working area. Have all my tools staged here. Again, all these old outlets and switches and switch plate covers. We're gonna go ahead and swap them out. All these switches will get swapped out to a nice white modern looking style. I have my box of switches here, as you can see. Another box of switches. This is the light that's gonna go up here in the middle in the kitchen. Three-way switching for the hallway and one of the kitchen lights. Some double and triple gang outlet covers, switch covers. Still waiting on these GFCI receptacles here. Typically anything within 3 feet of a water source like a sink needs to have GFCI rated outlets. We have the tile guys next door using the saw. That's what that noise is. We have a nice bonus room out here. Have some more outlets to work on. And like I said, we are here in Alameda. One of the perks is being so close to the water. Just check it out. We have a nice deck. It's a beautiful day. Nice and sunny, about 70 degrees. You could dock your own paddle boat here and just go take some laps. And let's go back inside. Here we are in another room. Again, all these outlets will be switched out. Another switch here. I have to switch that out. Here goes another bedroom, same. All these are getting switched out. More of that paneling. Here goes another bathroom. I will be installing this vanity light fixture. Looks like the sheetrockers actually covered the electrical box. So I have to take a couple of measurements and see if they can come back out here and cut out that hole so that I can have access to the electrical box behind this wall. Again, switching all these out. And this is a light slash fan combo that I'll be installing up here. This is the old one that I have to demo out. We'll be swapping that out. Some more switches to swap out. And lastly, here's the master bedroom, primary suite, overlooking the water. We have our tile guys here working. As you guys can see, they're installing the what is this, the subway tile?
Yeah.
Subway tile, installing subway tile here in the shower. More switches. Let's take a look at the side of the house. Great location. Work in progress. Like I said, we're waiting on some more material to hopefully get shipped this week. We are pushing to get this listing up and live in the next week or so, once all the remodeling is done, and hopefully start to order the photographer to come out here and the stagers to come out here sometime next week. If you know anybody that's looking to move into Alameda, leave a comment, reach out, let me know. Happy to assist you guys. Thank you for watching. And we also have 3 other listings, 2 in San Jose and 1 in Sunnyvale, that we are remodeling as well, so stay tuned for those videos as well. If you guys like these behind the scenes videos where I'm showcasing the construction, let me know. Thank you for watching.